Ayy, one time like. Ayy, look. Niggas dying from corona while I'm living on coronas. They been living for attention, they been dying for diplomas. My persona in aroma, could've told ya I don't give a shit. Signed a bigger contract so I could talk some bigger shit. Police pull you over, they be tryna give a nigga shit. I be such a gentleman, they came to see some nigga shit. She just wanna cut, I wanna cut as in a bigger split. She ain't even ready for this wood I'm about to hit her with. Hit my swisher in your hitter in that order up. I was feeling low and then I realized I'm sorta up. Porter front of Porter, Florida, baby, let me pull ya up. She be on the foyer, folding flounces, whipping Goya up. Straight from out that Mississippi soil, Tom Sawyer up.
Damn!
What's wrong with my ringtone?
Alright.
What y'all think?
Put everything back together in my car. Let's go get him.
Shit in my trunk.
He said it's in his trunk.
Mike, pull out the bike, bro. Shit fast.
Oh yeah, you know what? I'm about to get the bike.
Right now.
What's happened? What's wrong with my ringtone?
We trying to hear your ringtone.
Whoa.
Nah, you got.
Nah, you took it off, bro.
I didn't touch it.
Nah, he moved the phone. You can't move the phone. Hold on, let me see it real quick.
No, I'll play it. Hold on. You're bugging.
Bro, just
That's how
a regular it's fine. It's fine, bro.
This thing is like the 90s voice.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, it's BJ. I can't get to the phone right now. Leave your message. Hey, you leave that song.
Nah.
You leave that song playing in the background.
Like this. You gotta do it like this. Hey, yo, it's BJ. You know what it is.
Yeah, you're really tripping right now. You know whose song that is? What does your ringtone sound like?
I don't know.
Yo, that's some funny ass shit.
Oh my God! Why is this so slow, bro?
Word.
Oh
Nah,
yeah, I hate it, yo. Yours too. Mine don't work.
Woo! Shit! God damn! Damn!
Damn, BJ, that means you need an E30, right?
I hope to see you for many years to come, bro, because this shit look like he's about to. Woo.
Yeah, that shit got some squirreliness on that last one. Shit. I finished everything, and I just have time to relax. BJ, he got mad cars on the list. My full wrap is done. Not even a week.
He like, yeah, I'm about to take my shit.
That guy talking shit.
Hey, I'm always talking shit, baby. Always talking shit, baby. Yo, it gotta be the one. What they say? The biggest, the slowest dogs bark the loudest. My car don't even work, and I've been talking shit ever since it broke, bro.
Guys, I got my fast car finally. None of them wanted to race. They always talking shit.
My car broke.
All right, bro.
Yo, be safe, bro, for real.
Pull it in.
Oh. Be safe.
He's like, I'm pulling in right now.
Elevate, watch out.
Be safe going into the shop.
Yo. What's up? How long has this car been here? 3 weeks now? Searching and hunting for the freaking diff? The first nice car I see you driving, bro. Yo, my man. Oh, he know where to put the key. He know where to put the key in the hole. Let me move that bike for you, nice sir. What's good, everybody? Welcome back. Shout out to all my slow speeders. Y'all know, I'm back over here already. Ooh, almost got hit. Back over here at European Auto, YP Auto Detail, freaking print coat wrap. I gotta move the bike. Hold on, let me move the bike. Yo, hold this shit while I move the bike, please. Yeah. But, oh shit, now he's a cameraman. Mechanic / cameraman.
I suck at this.
No, you don't. What's up? Look at your membership. Here we are, Turtles. Who? Who need a manager? Oh, manual. I do. I got a new car coming soon, and it's manual. No, it's a piece of shit. But I'm making ice. Here we are at Turtle Performance, where you can get lovely services done by Calvin. My man Calvin. Tell your little brother I want to run it back on that basketball game too. Tell him I want to run it back. You know what I'm saying? He ain't gonna cross me up like that no more. But yeah, you can get all, what's this? Wheel alignment, tire rack. I'll do a B-roll, y'all gonna see everything. You see, my man getting a Porsche for 5 seconds.
You to Gapplebee's in the traffic. Now, on a straightaway, man, you might get me. Might.
We'll see. I don't wanna hear no stories how you miss second gear, third gear, fourth gear. I don't wanna hear none of that.
We got wheel alignment rack, wheel balancing, mounting. I do all auto repair. You know what I'm saying? Do everything.
And the build, you know the build is coming here too. The manual car build. We building it at Turtle Performance.
Heard you.
No, you think I'm joking?
Deadass.
I'm serious.
All right.
We building it here. I call Turtle up. We schedule everything. It's gonna make crazy power.
Right.
Here. When I get the plates, I don't have the plates yet. So you're gonna see it, but. And that new M4 coming soon. I know y'all seen it, and I know y'all like it. Stop lying. Y'all lying right now. Y'all like that car. You know what it is? People gonna start liking it when the price go down. Oh, I can get one for 50 now? Oh, you know what? It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good at 50, huh? No, all cars went up, and that's why I'm actually selling my car right now. I'm trying to get rid of it now because the used car value is going up. So I'm trying to sell and not buy. If I buy new. I'll make a whole other video on why I want to buy new and not look for a lot of used BMWs. But today I have Ronald coming to pick up the intake on the car. I planned on unwrapping it, but I actually have to go do a trip, drive some nice clips, do a final ride video, and we'll come back up here. The hood is already sold, so I gotta unwrap it and put the silver hood back on. And yeah, so that seems to be it. But I figured I'd come here and bother you guys because I got nothing else better to do to bother you guys and talk about my car being broke.
And watch it on the left.
Yeah, I'm about to go over there right now. The company that I got the diff from, it was warranted. They were going to replace it. However, the limited slip diffs that they have, like they stopped making the one that I have now, which ends in this part number in the bottom, and they superseded with another part number, which happens to only be for the 340s, which is a 2:1 ratio. I need a 315 ratio. Now I could get a 2:1 ratio and the car run not as aggressive. It'd be a higher top speed, but really terrible acceleration. I can get the 323 gears that come in the manual. It'll bolt up, it'll fit, but it'll have like great acceleration. Yeah, the 323 would be a little too aggressive, not top speedy enough, I guess. So the plan is to now get a diff from, where we getting a diff from? I think eBay or something like that. Yo, where we get the diff from? Online. We're getting a used diff because I decided that I'm not keeping the car. I'm gonna get rid of the car. I built it up to the point where there ain't really nothing else to do besides break and fix what breaks. And I'm really not in the business to keep fixing what breaks because I don't like that type of stuff. And I learned that I'd rather have a slower car that I'm able to drive more and film more rather than have a really fast car that breaks all the fucking time. So now we're here. We're gonna get an open diff. However, we've only been getting the wrong size open diff. So I think finally we sourced the right diff and should be going in the car. So that's where the car's been literally for the past 3 weeks. And yeah. Spent the shop, broken.
How do you zoom in?
You don't, yeah, that's just it.
Let's zoom in on Anave's spot right here.
Ooh.
It's a burn.
Ooh. You know what
This
happened?
is what happened. She's trying to be like Sammy Sosa, that's why.
Nah, you know what happened? She tried to curl that weave.
It's not weave. It's 100% bay.
100% Malaysian.
Dang.
What countries they get it from? Cambodia?
I don't know, wherever the horses are.
Remy,
Nowhere
nah,
near.
Remy's not a country. He said wherever the horses are. Nah, it's not horse hair. It's real people hair like hers. She just sell it. Like somebody like her in India will go bald right now.
People, don't try to curl your weave. That happens.
It's not weave.
It's weave.
Let's show your gay ass haircut.
Yo,
That shit looks a little.
you heard what fucking George said?
What happened to the braids? Why
George
you keep
fucking
the braids?
violated him.
I got sick of that shit.
Where the keys to the truck?
You not.
Shut the fuck up. You gotta go with the cars then too.
Okay, I go for G.
So this is the E36. Unfortunately, this is Slow Speed's car.
Broken.
Again. How many times for this month?
Y'all got jokes.
He didn't even make it to Impact.
Where's your piece of shit at?
Excuse me?
Your piece of
It's
shit.
at home. It's not on the lift. So I need this.
Fuck you. I don't want the people to see me.
Why not?
I don't know. I'm on YouTube, motherfucker.
That shit don't look like
It's
it.
fire.
The new Beamer, right?
She was mad ugly.
Hold on, no, look.
It looked like you. So wait, put the picture back up. Look at it. That shit look the same.
Look at the fucking grill, bro.
That look the same.
Get shit out of here.
Bro, I got some big ass nose.
Thank you.
Look at your nose. It's the same thing.
Bro, I like the M4. You know what? People don't understand. They did the M4 like that because the F-body, F30 owners want to be like M3, M4.
Yeah.
So they say, you guys, I'm going to make the whole car different so you can copy. So now the M3 is going to
Yeah, so now you can't put an M3 bumper on your 335 no more. It just won't work.
Just put the grill.
of the new M4 on your car. It's the same thing.
Same thing.
Let's go like this, look.
It's fine.
New
It's
M4.
fine. Hood is gonna bite the dust right here. We were supposed to be trading with your stock one, but you know.
Bro, we missed.
Oh yeah, but this is the hood. You can check the condition or whatever on it.
Yeah, no, it looks good.
The only thing is, like I said, I'm taking it down to Maryland to go visit my mom, and I want to do one last ride with the green hood. You know what I mean? Look at that carbon fiber.
Is it real?
What brand is this? Because we know you're cheap.
Nah, it's real.
Oh my god.
It's expensive, bro. Look, it says European Auto.
It's real, bro. Look, it's real. Look at the inside.
This is a money intake right here.
It's one of the weirdest freaking park and drive neutral thingies. If y'all know me, y'all know I love everything, bro. Trucks, cars, bikes, anything that could get my adrenaline pumping, boy. Whew. Nice, but one day, 435 is going. I'm actually not that upset, actually. Now that I see certain things, like I said, I want a bike. I see a couple things that I want, so, you know. I feel like, sheesh, you feel like you the man in this joint chilling. Big Tahunga Junga. I don't even know what that is. Big giant Tahunga type truck. This shit nice though. Got a little bit of that. Got a little bit of that, you know what I'm saying? It's not my, I can't be wilding out in it, but you know. First and foremost, no, not going broke and I gotta sell everything and I'm gonna regret it later. I really love the car part of the way. I don't like the car no more. The reason why I don't like the car, basically all the stars have to align. And to be honest, it's just too many fucking stars, bro. Like everything has to work in sync and you get one of the best pulling sounding cars that I've ever owned in my life. And then you try to recreate that and it doesn't work out exactly. The wheel might spin. Just so many things can happen. And that's where that car is right now. Just the enjoyment level is really, really high, but it's just not consistent. So I want something a little more consistent that I could drive every day, make content on that you guys will love, which will bring money into the channel. And then I also want this wild car that I could just go balls out with, like the E30. That thing inspired the motherfucker. That is just raw and it could break as many times as you want. Though, like, that's a car that I wouldn't mind the stars aligning in. I'm not making monthly payment. I don't care about it. I don't want something nice to come to like this big giant truck where a lot of people go hang out. We have some fun, drive up here and there, hoon around. Then I want the motorcycle. So y'all know where this is going. Mike from Slow Speed. Hope you guys got something from this video. Might put it up tonight. And yeah, so parts are getting taken off of the car. I had a little fun time. I have European Auto, obviously, like always. Shout out to those guys. I put the links in the description of everybody. European Auto, YP Detail, Print Code Wrap, and Turtle Performance Alignments, tires, and all that extra shit. We out of here. I'm gonna get my lobster, my frosé, and I think this is about it for me, man. Stay tuned. And oh yeah, I got another build that me and Turtle Performance on collab in. It's not European, obviously. That's why it's not going to be a European Auto. All my BMW stuff like that, definitely going to be a European Auto. All the other shit, like, you know, JDM, know we got something coming soon. Yo, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm getting older. Just had a birthday that just passed. Don't put any stress on yourself that you could avoid. You know, the BMW 435 gave me a lot of stress. Parts not lining up, and then you also got to think, you know, G's a busy guy. Shops in general, they're busy, no matter where you take your car to. So, you know, the problem I run into with that is my car could just break at any moment. I need to make content, and I can't be the dickhead running there. Oh, my car's broke now, fix it. It just don't work like that. Life don't work like that. If you get sick, you guys schedule a doctor's appointment. You can't run up. You can do emergency care or whatever. You can't run up in the doctor like, yo, listen, doctor, fix me now. You know, you gotta wait. So that's kind of the thing. You know, my car's breaking really, it's breaking consistently, and it's to the point where I just hit G up like, yo, listen, the car's outside, the keys are out there. I don't know what's wrong, but it's broke. You know, so you know, tying up stuff. It's just tying up too much stuff, and yeah, man, I can't wait for the next build. And this is probably gonna go to the end of the video, so a lot of y'all don't watch it. But you know, just on a personal level, you know, those of you who know me know that I just recently, well, not recently, but it's been a little bit now. But I got rid of my girl. 2020, got rid of the girl, got rid of the car. You know, just unnecessary stress. You know, you venture off from people. You know, I'm not saying she's a bad person, I'm a bad person. You know, both did some stupid shit, but you know, I just had to cut ties with it, man. It's just unnecessary stress in 2020. I'm getting older, bro. I'm just trying to have fun out here and do my thing, you know. Accept who I am, what I am, change with things that I want for the better, and, you know, grind. So, life from Soul Speed. Peace out.